With me today is a member of the latest generation of Samsung NVMe SSDs. This is the 960 EVO in 500 gigabyte flavor. They also have a 960 Pro that offers better performance given certain intensive workloads, but the 960 EVO seems to be the best bang for your buck for standard desktop users. Published specs on this are 3200 megabytes per second read speeds and 1800 megabytes per second write speeds. They're also posting 330,000 input-output operations per second. This is based on Samsung's new Polaris controller, which is a 5-ARM core controller compared to the predecessor 950 series, which used a UBX controller with only 3-ARM cores. They're calling the VNAND in this 3D NAND with 48-layer, 256 gigabit die. So let's get a closer look. The model posted on the box is MZ V6E 500. MZ V6E 500. There it is, the size of a standard 5-piece pack of chewing gum, the 960 EVO NVMe SSD from Samsung. In addition to the NVMe SSD, they also give us an installation guide and warranty information. This offers a 3-year limited warranty. Installation is very straightforward, but I will go ahead and demonstrate that in a separate video. Comes with a URL to download Samsung Magician for data migration, so you don't need to do a complete wipe clean installation of Windows and start from scratch. You can just migrate your operating system drive over to this NVMe using that software. And that's all that comes in the box. The NVMe SSD, a sleeve to download Magician software, an installation guide and warranty statement that explains what's covered and what's not. And again, we get a 3-year warranty on model number MZ V6E 500. This is the 960 EVO 500 gigabyte NVMe SSD, the latest generation based on the Polaris controller, replacing the UBX controller in its predecessors 950 EVO and 950 Pro.